today we are going to show you how to create simple full glam look with one plate. We are going to start from easy to advanced, depending how much time you have or how much effort you want to put in. You know, we have a variety of techniques that you can do here with plate M080. So it's the traditional gold, green, and red manicure. Okay, so the next design we're going to do is going to be the most advanced, and we are going to mix the colors like almost a tie-dye gradient. Now when you do this, I don't recommend skimping on stamping polish just because it's like, you know, it's better to have excess stamping polish than to have an unsuccessful pickup. So you definitely have options depending how much time you have. You have like maybe 10 minutes. This manicure will be great and still fits that very holiday aesthetic.